2014 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, remote engine start, backup camera, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel drive, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.